Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, as previously mentioned in my prior videos, I do Amazon reviews, right? Not only am I an Amazon Prime member, but I'm also an Amazon Vine member. So it's been a minute, but I wanted to take a moment and let you guys know that I received an Amazon Vine product called FiFine. It's actually a recording microphone. And in this particular video review, I'm going to attempt to unbox it and see if I can hook it up. You know, I got this product on Amazon Vine. It was something I wanted to kind of pick out simply because with my channel, I thought, hey, why not? Maybe I'll actually attempt to do maybe some lives or some blogs or something like that. But when I saw this little gadget right here, I had to get it. So again, this particular review is going to be my attempt at hooking it up to my laptop, seeing if it does everything that it claims that it does, and just kind of overall testing it out and see how easy it is to hook up, because somebody like me, I'm no techie. I'm a novice when it comes to any and all things technological. And so yeah, I would be the perfect person to test something on this level to see how consumer ready and user friendly it will be. All right guys, so I'm gonna click off and then I'll be back. And so guys, I'm not using my tripod, so just kind of bear with me. I'm gonna try to one hand open or unbox this, but again, it's called FiFine Keep Leveling Up USB Recording Microphone. So let's kind of see what it is. Here's the instructions. So clearly I have learned my lessons about not using instructions, so I will be using this to get started. And wow, it doesn't look like there's anything too complicated to this. Here is the actual USB cord, and it's down here. I don't know. Oh, it looks like a mini microphone tripod. Okay, that looks pretty handy. Take a look at that. Yep. And what is this one? Okay, just the actual microphone itself. So it seems easy enough. Over here, if you look right there, the USB cord gets inserted there, and I'm pretty sure this is where your tripod perhaps gets connected right in here. It looks like you can adjust it on this side, and again, I'm one-handing it, guys, so please forgive me. I'm holding my camera in one hand, but yeah, it looks to me like you would actually put your tripod in here. Let's see if I can kind of open this. Okay, here we go. See that? Even though I'm holding it upside down, it looks like this particular tripod, you can actually prop it up, right? Prop it up, stand it. Let me see if I can do that right over here real quick. Hold on, guys. All right, you can prop it up, stand it, which is what I will do when I have both of my hands available. And it looks like it tilts at an angle, and then you would adjust this here and maybe move your microphone back and forth, and you would tighten it up in there. But anyway, guys, I will set it up and come back. All right, guys, I'm back. And so all right, that's better. So anyway, I wanted to kind of, using the instructions, walk through the microphone. Now, it literally took me, a couple of minutes to just plug everything in. As you can see, I added the actual microphone and just screwed it into the base, to the small tripod base. I adjusted it, and this actually swivels, if you just want to know. Both the microphone and this device here, I got to find out the actual name of it. I think it is called the pop filter, the actual filter, they both swivel. So it swivels independently. So just so you'll know that, right? So, but the better position after you've screwed it in and made all of your adjustments is to have the microphone or the volume indicator, the volume in the actual indicator. It's kind of hard to see it in the dark, but let's see if I can show it to you like this. Yeah, it's kind of dark, but you can see that is the actual volume control, and this is I believe a microphone gain knob, as they call it. It has a mute button, and so yeah, it has all of these features right here to the front that you would use to adjust as you are utilizing the device. But anyway, guys, it was really simple to hook up. I mean, it's like a no-brainer. So it was perfect for me. Again, you would plug in the USB wire you connected here, and then you would take this part of it, plug it into your device, and that's basically it. So I will do all of the instructions and try to set it up and use it. But hey, it was really, really very simple for someone like me. And if you're interested in, I would say, like a starter microphone, whether it's for you or maybe for your kids or something like this, this is a pretty reasonable product to start off with until you kind of graduate to something a little more sophisticated and advanced. But anyway, guys, that's it. And again, it's called the FiFine USB recording microphone. Go check it out. I got it on Amazon, and so can you. All right, thanks.